and assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I'm going to make chana chat. So let's start. I have chickpeas, white beans and red beans, bell peppers, green chilies, potatoes, onion, tomatoes, salt, for your taste, chaat masala. Let's mix. Let's put some imli water. Okay, viewers, our chaat is ready. Now we are gonna serve it. Let me add some lemon juice in it. Let's mix it. Okay, viewers, our chaat is ready to serve now.